I'm Haven Barson taking computer sciences software engineering at Gull Lake High School. Today I'll be doing a vlog on some of the things I have learned that professionals could use in the industry while being a Python programmer. First we're going to be taking a look at our hypervisor. A hypervisor is this on the screen right now. A hypervisor is a software or hardware platform that allows multiple virtual machines, or VMs, to run on a single physical machine, enabling virtualization. It manages and allocates resources such as a CPU, memory, and storage to the virtual machines while isolating them from each other. Now I will show you how to take a snapshot. We're going to go on our Linux virtual machine, and we are on snapshots right now. As you can see, this is the one that I took yesterday, 2 days ago. We're going to name it Vlog Snapshot. Once we do that, we're just going to click OK, and it's going to take our snapshot up here in the top right. We will now be taking a look at the Linux virtual machine. So we're going to go down here, open up the Linux virtual machine, type in our password, and now we are here on our virtual machine. We're going to open Gitkraken Desktop, where we can see all of my commits that we've made. First, we are going to start down here at the print welcome statement. We're going to check this one out and open our PyCharm up. On the right, you can see our print welcome statement right here. Now we're going to go up to a different commit. We're now on the added weather function stable. Here you can see that we added all of our weather types and our print weather here. So now, when I click F10, you can see that it says that it's rainy, and our print statement up here that says on the development and developer and what branch that we're in, right here, and then the weather. Now we're up a little bit farther on the added VRS message and sleep function. As you can see, this is where we were before with our weather types. Now if we go down, we see our vehicle response system, and we can see that if the weather alert equals snowing, that it will update our alarm by 30 minutes. And if it is also snowing, it will activate our VRS and it'll only allow us to go 60 miles per hour. VRS being vehicle response system. Now, if we have an ELIF that is a blizzard, it'll update our alarm by 60 minutes and only let us go 50 miles an hour. Here, if it's rainy, same thing. 10 minutes, 70 miles an hour. Windy, 60 minutes, 75. And then it keeps going to 55 and 60 for icy. Now we are going to switch to a different commit. Let's go to added gas station stable. Now we can see that we added all of our gas stations here and our tank. Let's go to added gas level alert function. Now when we have low gas, we're going to get an alert. As it says here, empty, you are out of gas. Let's go up to our final gasoline. This is what our final gasoline looks like. We have our station and our fuel low and our out of gas, as you can see here, and then all of our libraries up here.
If you run it again, it's gonna explode.
Now we're going to go onto our Gitkraken desktop, open this, check out beta test dev, we're gonna grab gasoline, put it onto beta test dev, merge gasoline into beta test dev. See, we're gonna get this merge failed, we're gonna get a merge conflict. Now we're going to go out and go into here. See, now we have our gasoline here at the bottom, head, and then we have our equals. This starts gasoline, and it goes all the way down to here. We're going to move our weather because we want it in a different place. So we're going to delete this because we already have it up farther.
Because it was already that. So what it was trying
and
to
the equal. And we're going to copy all this. We're going to copy all of this. Control C. We're going to go up here. Control V. Go back down to the bottom. Delete this. Now that our code is in there, we're going to go to delete the equal sign. Now we have our gas in here. Make sure we delete that. It should be good now. Let's click F10. We got our colored loading. Once that boots, we're going to get our... Oh, it looks like we're out of gas. That's not good. It's going to call AAA. Now it's going to tell us our weather. It's going to tell us the National Weather Service has updated your alarm by 10 minutes because it's raining. And our VRS has been initiated, allowing us to go 70 miles an hour. Now that we merged those, we're going to go to Get Kraken. We're going to go up here. Mark resolved. Commit and merge. Now we're going to push. We're now going to hop over to our Windows virtual machine right here. Going to full screen that. So now we're going to open our Visual Code Studio and our GitHub desktop. So now that we pushed our beta test dev right here, we're going to check that out. And we're going to wait a second in order to let us pull it. We're going to fetch the origin. And then we're going to pull it. Now we have everything that was on our Linux virtual machine that we pushed. So now when we go over to our Visual Code Studio, as you see, we have everything that we just put in here with our gas. So let's open here. We pulled. So now let's go here and run it again, as I showed you before. As you can see, it's booting.
Yeah, it works.
Thanks for letting me know that.
Yep.
Okay.
And then there's all of our code. And there's our weather. Now we're going to minimize this. We're going to go back to our main computer, open up our browser, go to GitHub, Infotech Center, Black Widow. Here, you can see everything that we've put into here. Make sure you're in the beta test dev too. Now, you can see we have our gas station that we just merged into beta test dev, and our weather, and our welcome. Now, we're now going to go to our project management. So we're going to open up our Chrome, go to Trello. See, here is what I need to do, doing, and done. See, we have our prepare initial repository for our application setup, our weather, and our welcome screen. Now we have gasoline here, and we merged beta test dev
Oh, this is the best.
and check the iterations.
Play
So now we can move
like play real
doing
songs.
to dumb.
What is this?
And we can go to do,
Is this your favorite?
merge gasoline into beta test dev,
I was
and we
just
haven't done this yet, so it's going to stay in our doing.
It's horrible.
No, that was different. That was different. Yeah.
Thank you for taking the time to watch my video
Hold on. Let me-
on Introduction to Programming vlog.